Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp message for your mobile shop. If you run a mobile shop, then manually responding to all the queries about product launches and offers can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp template message which will be broadcasted and sent to respective contact list on a scheduled time. Now, if you want to learn how to create this broadcast message, then let me take you to my screen. This is the broadcast that I've created for mobile shop. Before we begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. So as we can see here, we have received the template message that we have created for our broadcast. That means our broadcast is working. And here the broadcast status has changed from live to sent. That means our broadcast has been sent. Now, if you want to create a broadcast, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating our broadcast. And for that, access the feature here. And then to create a new broadcast, click on Add Broadcast. Here we have to select our broadcast type first. So here I'm going to select Broadcast Campaign. So here I'm going to provide name as Mobile Shop Assistant. In the contact list, I'm going to select Mobile Shop. If you want to learn how to create contact list, then access the contact feature from here. Open it in new tab and then click here to create a new contact list. Here provide your contact list a name such as Mobile Shop. Then provide all the required details and simply click on Add to create a new contact list. And here it says contact list created successfully. So this is how you create a contact list. Here Pabbly provides two types of messages. First is pre-approved template message and another one is regular message. So here we are going to select pre-approved template message. Click on WhatsApp template and select any approved template that you want. Here I am going to select this one. I am going to click on Done, and here a template message appears. If you want to learn how to create template message, access the template feature from here and then click on Template List, and to create a new template, click on Add Template. Here you have to select your template category, provide a template name, as mobile. Select language as English. Here you can select your template type as text, image, video, document location or carousel. So here we are selecting text. Here you have to provide a header as welcome. Here you can provide all the details that you want your template to show. If you want your text to appear bold, the template you simply have to add asterisk signs and it will make your text appear bold. Here you have to add a footer like thanks. It will appear here like this. Lastly, you have to select interactive actions such as call to action, quick replies or all of the above. Then simply submit your template and soon it will be approved and it will be ready to use. Now we are going back to our broadcast. We get the option to send a trial message. So here I am going to provide my details to send a trial message and check whether the template or the broadcast is working. Then I am going to click on send test message and it says test broadcast sent. Now on my WhatsApp I am going to check whether I have received the template message or not. So here as we can see we have received the template message that we created in our broadcast. That means our broadcast is working. So I'm going back to my broadcast and then here we have two options to schedule the broadcast. Either we can send it instantly or we can schedule it for later. If you want to schedule a broadcast, you have to provide a date and a time to send that broadcast on a scheduled time. Here I'm going to select send instantly and then click on add broadcast and our broadcast has been created successfully. So this is how we create a broadcast. If you want to create your own broadcast, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.